In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage store categories on Squarespace. We're going to organize your shop so customers can quickly browse by the categories you care about. Start by opening your Squarespace site and heading to the dashboard. From there, go to Pages and select your shop page. When the shop opens, enter Edit so you're working in the page editor. If you land in a preview by mistake, just click Exit to return to the editor view. Inside the shop editor, look for the Categories area. Depending on your template, you might see it in the page settings or as a panel in the product organization settings. Click the highlighted Categories control to open your list, then click Edit. This is where you add and manage the labels your customers will see. To create a new category, click the highlighted input field. Type your category name and click Add. For example, you might add highlights to feature curated items. Once it appears in the list, select it in the highlighted area if you need to activate or apply it to the current section. When you're done, click Done, and then Save to publish those changes. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially when you're refining your shop structure. If you need another category, repeat the process. Click Edit, click the highlighted input, type the name, click Add, select it as needed, click Done, and save again. This consistent flow keeps everything tidy and ensures your changes stick. You can also review built-in groups like Sale. Click the Sale section, open Edit to check how it behaves with your layout, and exit if you find yourself back in a preview. This quick review helps you confirm your new categories will sit neatly alongside existing ones. Return to Categories from the shop editor and use the highlighted controls to decide which categories display as filters or in your navigation. If you want to showcase new arrivals, select the latest option, then click the highlighted confirmation so it shows up for shoppers. When the list looks right and the order makes sense, click Done and save one more time to go live. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep category names short and clear, avoid duplicates, and make sure every product is assigned to at least one category so filters appear on the live page. After saving, visit your storefront, test the category filters, and confirm that your new categories, like highlights or latest, are visible and returning the products you expect. If something doesn't appear, revisit the editor, click Edit in Categories, and adjust assignments before saving again. That's it. Your store categories on Squarespace are now organized